ഏതൊരു മോഡൽ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിലേക്ക് വന്നാൽ പോലും it doesn't really matter whether she is a newcomer or whether she is an experienced model. The very important fact is ആരെങ്കിലും ഈ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി വന്നാൽ പോലും they have their own sense of fashion and they bring in their sense of individualism into the industry and into their personal style, which can definitely be seen through what they wear. Well, here we have a model who is all the way from Chennai. This is Amrita. Let's meet her on our segment Rendezvous Counter.
Hi Kappa TV, this is Amrita, model from Chennai. To me, fashion is something which is very personalized and customized, and it is something which you wear. It is something where you feel comfortable with. So fashion is something which is not common to everybody. It's not universal, but it is something which varies from person to person. According to me, one important attribute that is most important for a model is to have a good amount of confidence while she's on the ramp. One important thing is to remain calm and composed before starting on the ramp, because it is very crucial for the model to remain calm and composed throughout the ramp walk. Beauty is something that comes from within. So a major portion of it I would attribute to the inner beauty, although external appearance is important. I hit the gym once in thrice a week, and also I dance Bharatanatyam like twice a week to keep myself fit. I do have reservations against the bikini round, but I don't think I have any other reservations. People are slowly becoming aware of the fact that modeling is not just about external appearance and to glam up on the stage, but it also involves a lot more professional quality to it. I think models have a great future in India.